Hello, foodies. Welcome back to my channel Tasty Treats by Nikki to the English series of my recipes. So, today I have brought a new recipe, as you all know. So, our today's recipe is Kurkuri Crispy Bhindi Lady Finger. Yes, crispy lady finger. In Hindi, we say it as Kurkuri Bhindi, and English, you can say as crispy lady finger. Yeah, let's start the recipe. So here first we need lady finger. So here I have taken 200 grams of lady finger, and you have to cut one lady finger into 4 pieces. Okay, you can also go for 6 pieces if you are that pro in cutting and chopping. I've tried doing it and I failed badly, but then I did go for 4. Now we are going to add in spices. So in goes 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. If you want, you can remove the seeds also of the lady finger. Next, I've added 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Next, I'm adding in here 2 tablespoons of cumin powder. Then goes in 2 tablespoons of sabzi masala powder, vegetable masala, Everest sabzi masala that you get. It's easily available in the market. Next, I'm adding in here 1/3 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing in Hindi. Next goes in 2 heaped tablespoons of gram flour. Next, I'm adding in here 2 heaped tablespoons of rice flour. Now we are going to mix this mixture completely and nicely until unless everything is well combined. Remember that now we are not going to add, at this point of time we are not going to add in salt here, because we have to let this mixture rest. If you add the salt before resting, you won't be able to make kurkuri bhindi, crispy bhindi. You will just end up making some bhindi masala or something. Okay, so don't add salt here. I'm going to show you one more way of mixing it. So here comes the other way. You just place a covering on the top and you have to just shake it like this to mix everything until you have it all well combined. So here you see this works very well and I love this formula. I do it behind the camera. So yeah. So this has been resting for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can see that was only so that the lady finger should coat everything nicely. So now here I am adding in 1 lemon juice. 1 whole lemon ka juice I am adding in here. And then we are going to add in salt for taste. Now salt we have added later here, because if you add it earlier before the resting time, your lady finger will become soggy. It will start releasing the sticky texture that it has. We don't want that to happen. We want it to be crispy, really crispy. Mix it nicely. Now here you cannot apply that shaky wala formula. You have to mix it with a spoon. If you feel that it is still not coated properly, the masala, the spices to the lady finger, you can add water before frying it. Like add water, mix it nicely and then add it to fry immediately. We are not going to wait more here, because then as we have added salt and lemon, the lady finger will start releasing the stuff out. So here the oil is nicely heated. Don't add the lady finger until unless your oil is nicely heated. You can add into 2 batches, like it is not going to stick to each other, so be very relaxed with that. Don't worry about it, they won't stick to each other. So you can add as much as you want to add, or you can just take a bigger vessel for frying and put them all inside the oil at once. Keep stirring and keep frying it. And remember, you have to fry this until it turns nice and crispy. Okay, it will take time. So for the very first 5 minutes, let it cook on high flame. Once you see that they have started to cook and change the color, just lower down your flame to on lower to medium and let it cook in the oil. Be very careful when you're doing it. Keep stirring it, keep changing the positions of the ladyfinger inside the oil, because if you leave it all the side ka the ladyfinger at the sides of the vessel will start to turn brown, or they might also burn. So keep mixing it, keep changing the places, the positions of the ladyfinger in the oil while you're frying them. So be careful with that. It's not that you have just added it to the oil and you forget it. No, you have to keep an eye on it. And again, I'm telling you, you have to fry it only until it turns crispy. Once you see that it is turned crispy, immediately remove it from the oil or it will start to burn. So now here it's time to take them off from the oil. They are nicely done. As you can see, it has not changed much of color, because now when you take them out, they will also keep cooking in their own heat now, as the oil is too hot. The oil was at a higher temperature. Let's do the plating of it. The plating is going to be quite simple. You can't have a crispy ladyfinger or kurkuri bhindi without this. So you need to have this, and you make a crispy bhindi or kurkuri bhindi and you're going to enjoy it. So all you need is dal, rice, some roti chapati, some mango pickle, and with that you have this crispy ladyfinger. You are going to love it. Thank me later for this. First, go and try the recipe, enjoy it, and then come back, comment down how did you like the recipe. Then later you can thank me for the recipe. I am so sure you all must have enjoyed watching the recipe. You will definitely enjoy even eating it. So do try the recipe. Very simple and yet delicious recipe. Do try the recipe. This is going to be a perfect Sunday lunch. A very healthy and a very light one. So do try the recipe and don't forget to comment and let me know how it turned out for you. A request, I also wanted to know where my videos are getting circulated by YouTube. If you can just comment down from which country or which city or which village you are watching the recipe. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and ask your friends and family also to subscribe to the channel. Good